Never gonna update you. With the power of the Force, you are dead now. Dead. Hi, my name is Mr. Cheese and the mail's here. Pow, a pow.
Master Foreman.
Oh no, they're dead now. I have a robot face now. Chimes, Elmer, stop. Yeah.
Oh no, they're
fighting. They're fighting. They're fighting. Pow, I ripped your heart now, and I'ma grab a pillar. This is a pillar, okay? Boom. And now... Mom, it will always be my favorite. Same with me, kid! And they're launching, and they're crashing. They'll hit the pace to the Elgo Pop. I am back from the dead now. And then this is how happening with the terror at Angry Park. Okay, bye. A funny April Fools.
Kim Pig, you always be my favorite. Are you so bleh? Dun 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 dun. Back for the cutout. This is how the pick up why we are back. So you have to ask in there. But still, we gonna be coming back for get revenge. And